How to check when your TikTok account was created. Hey guys, in today's video, I am going to show you how to check when your TikTok account was created. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. Locate and tap on the TikTok app on your device. Tap the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. On the top right corner, tap the three horizontal lines to open the menu. Select Settings and Privacy from the list. Scroll and tap on Activity Center inside the Settings menu. In the Activity Center, tap on Account History. This section shows detailed logs of your account activities. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. Here you'll find the exact date your TikTok account was created, along with other details like the device and location used during registration. And that's how you can check when your TikTok account was created. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.